Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. The name of today's topic is our religious festivals. It's a very interesting topic and you all will enjoy it. Let's see. India is our country and we are an Indian. Religious festivals are celebrated by different people of different religions in India. Some common festivals are Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Navratri, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Eid, Pateti, Christmas, Baisakhi, etc. Festivals are a time for fun and celebrations. It is a time for sharing and caring. People wear new clothes, make delicious sweets and special food to share with their friends and relatives. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated as birthday of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is the youngest son of God Shiva and Goddess Parvati. On this day, people bring clay idols of Lord Ganesha and install in their homes, mandaps and temples. People call him Vignaharta. It is a huge 11 days festival. People also make sweets and offer Bappa's favorite modaks and laddus. 11th day is celebrated as Anant Chaudas Ganesh Visarjan. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. People decorate their homes with diyas, candles, flowers and rangoli. Hindus worship Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Children enjoy fireworks and crackers. On this festival, people exchange gifts and sweets. Diwali is celebrated as Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Children get long school holidays to celebrate Diwali. Navratri. Navratri is the biggest festival of Hindus. It is a celebration of 9 nights. People dedicate this festival to Goddess Durga. We celebrate its 10th day as Dashera. People play Garba and Dandiya the whole night during Navratri. Many people have fast during Navratri. People love this festival very much. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. The festival is celebrated for 2 days. The first day, people burn a big bonfire and do puja, and it's called Holika Dahan. The second day, children and elders, everyone enjoy this festival. They throw different colors and water each other and have lots of fun. Holi brings feeling of love and fraternity. Christmas. Christmas is the grand festival of Christians. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over the world. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On Christmas, people decorate Xmas tree at their home. Kids wait for Santa Claus who brings gifts for them. We enjoy the Christmas cake. Eid. Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting, which is called Ramzan. People go to mosque to offer their prayer called namaz. They all wear new clothes and greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. Sevaya are the special dish on this day. Pateti. Pateti is a festival of the Parsi community. It is a new year of Parsi community, also known as Navroz. People clean and decorate their homes, dress up in traditional attires and visit a Gyari, fire temple, to pray for general well-being and prosperity. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the major festival of Sikhs. It is celebrated specially in Punjab and Haryana. Baisakhi celebrated to mark the arrival of the harvest season. Baisakhi is the festival of joy and happiness. The festival starts with the Bhangra performance by men and women. Now we will do worksheet in our EVS book, page number 53, and here you have to write the date. Color the circle orange below the festivals you celebrate. In this worksheet, we will use orange color. These are the picture of festivals: Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Baisakhi, Pateti, Navratri and Eid. You have to color the circle of the festivals which you all celebrate. I mostly celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Holi, Christmas and Navratri. So I will color the circle of these festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi. Then Diwali, the festival of lights. Then Holi, the festival of colors. Then Navratri. And Christmas. So, according to these, you have to color the circle of the festivals you celebrate. Okay kids, bye bye.